Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in China. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and in the search bar of it, you will have to search for PayPal countries. Then you will see the first link of PayPal Global list of countries and currencies. So you need to simply click on it. Now we are doing this step because we want to know whether PayPal is available in China or not, because China might already have any other application with the help of which you could transfer money. So we need to find whether it is available in China or not. So here on your keyboard, press Ctrl plus F and search for China. So as you can see that in the Asia Pacific, we have mainland China and Hong Kong, China, Taiwan, China. So basically you can create your account in China on any of these three countries. So let's say you want to open it in the mainland. So you need to click on any of the Chinese country in which you want to basically create your account, and then you will be landed on this type of page. Now here, click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner. Select whether you want to create a individual account or a business account. So let's say you want to open an individual account. So simply click on it and press next in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to simply provide your Chinese phone number here and then press next in the bottom. Then on the next page, you need to provide your email address, your bank details, your card details. So whatever it is asking you to do, you will have to provide that. And this way you will be able to open your PayPal account in China. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.